Organic liquid fertilizers made from certain fruit byproducts offer multiple benefits for plant growth and soil health. They are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, which promotes strong root development and vigorous flowering. Additionally, these fertilizers can improve soil structure, increase microbial activity, and enhance the overall fertility of the soil, making it more conducive for plant growth. To create this type of fertilizer, start by collecting peels from about 12 bananas. Cut these peels into small pieces to make them easier to blend. Once chopped, place the pieces in a blender, add some water, and blend until you get a smoothie-like consistency. This step helps break down the material so that its nutrients can be more readily available when applied to your plants. Next, pour the blended mixture into a 5-gallon bucket. You should add about 2 liters of this mixture to the bucket. Then, fill the bucket with approximately 10 liters of non-chlorinated water. Chlorine in tap water can kill beneficial microbes, so using non-chlorinated water is crucial for maintaining the efficacy of your fertilizer. After adding the water, mix in about 3 liters of compost tea. Compost tea is an excellent source of nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. If you need guidance on how to make compost tea, we have a detailed video tutorial available on our channel. Stir all the ingredients together thoroughly. Cover the bucket with a breathable cloth to allow for air exchange while keeping pests out. Let this mixture sit for about 5 to 7 days. During this fermentation period, the nutrients from the ingredients will become more bioavailable and beneficial microorganisms will proliferate, enhancing the fertilizer's effectiveness. After 7 days, the fermentation process should be complete. Before using the fertilizer, it's important to dilute it. A good ratio is 1 part of the fertilizer mixture to 10 parts water. This dilution helps to ensure that the nutrient concentration is safe for your plants and prevents any potential nutrient burn. Using this organic liquid fertilizer provides several advantages for your garden. It is an environmentally friendly option, reducing waste by recycling kitchen scraps into valuable plant nutrients. Additionally, it supports sustainable gardening practices by minimizing the need for synthetic fertilizers, which can harm the environment. This fertilizer also promotes healthy plant growth, resulting in lush, vibrant plants with strong roots and abundant blooms. For more helpful gardening tips and tutorials, be sure to like, subscribe, and share our content with fellow gardening enthusiasts. By doing so, you help support our channel and ensure that we can continue to provide valuable information for all your gardening needs.